Under this clear sky, the minerals that power the global energy transition are extracted. To move every ton, while caring for the planet, Finning assembles a silent giant. The Cat 798 Electric, capable of delivering progress with efficiency and low emissions. It all starts here, where parts and components arrive from afar with a single purpose: to be part of something big. On the road, coordination and control accompany every kilometre, ensuring the extraordinary advances from the very first movement. From the port to our assembly and rebuild centre in Antofagasta, every action is part of a carefully planned system. In our workshops, building a mining truck begins long before the first tool is picked up. Here, safety is the key that opens each workday. Together, we assemble our capabilities to build a unit with millimetre precision. Because at Finning, we are all part of a single gear. Every piece is critical. This is how we work at Finning. Part by part, person by person. Everyone brings their best in an environment where safety and process quality drive our actions. When everything integrates, and coordination, commitment and knowledge align, something more than a machine emerges. We create a positive impact. With precision, experience and safety, together we enable better mining. Because when we assemble a mining truck, we are also building our legacy.